Creating content is hard. Writing, research, videos, images. But what if you could do it all in one place? So let's say that today I would like to do a research on one topic, then I would like to create a presentation based on that topic, then several images so that I have everything in one place, and then also would like to create videos based on that same topic. So in this case I will use the tool called HIX.ai, which is all-in-one AI platform, and here is the URL HIX.ai. So let's start actually building something from here. First, I can choose many different models from GPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, everything is here. For now, I will use deep research function. Let's click here, and then I will write following. For example, I'm interested currently in 5 predictions on artificial intelligence and humanoid robots by 2030. We are satisfied with that. Let's click send. And now the tool starts thinking using many different AI models and many different GPTs to come up with the best possible solution based on this deep research. So I'll search and collect information about 5 predictions. I'll perform in-depth research. I will analyze and organize information. Now you may ask, how is this different from standard GPT? Well, it uses the best model for the best purpose because everything is all in one here. And here is our research. So we will have widespread integration in manufacturing and logistics, then adoption of AI-powered robotic surgery, pretty good. Humanoid robots as assistants, yeah. So then I can download this as a PDF, Word or Markdown, or copy, for example. Let's copy for now. Based on that, let's go back. So now I would like to create a couple of images. I will do one simple trick here. In a basic general search, I will just write down the following. So give me 5 image prompts based on my article, and now I will paste the whole article that we generated. Here it is. Let's click send. Very good. So let's copy the first one. No, actually, let's copy this one. So close-up cinematic scene. And let's now click on AI image. When you click on AI image, we can choose from many different image models. So Google Nano Banana, Midjourney, Seedream 4.0, Flux, Qwen Image, Stable Diffusion 3, Van, everything is there. I don't know what to use. For example, let's use Seedream 4.0. Let's just create 2 images, that will be enough. Let's use landscape, style, let's use auto style, and just paste this here, send. So here are our images, they look pretty good. So here we have a robot performing surgery. This looks really realistic. Seedream is great on that. And here is our second image. Yes, looks pretty nice. I really like that. So let's download those images. They will be downloaded without the watermark. Let's download it here, and let's close this one up. Now let's check our other prompts, and for example, let's turn those into video prompts. Pretty good, we have everything. So let's, for example, use household chores. So okay, let's copy this one here. Actually, let's write following. Simple prompts for 8-second videos. Okay, so here we have everything. Let's use, for example, household chores. Let's copy this one here, go back here, change AI image to AI video, and then let's choose, I don't know, which one would be best. Probably Veo 3.1. I will use Veo 3.1 fast. There is also Kling, Hello, Pixverse, Sora, Van 2.5, everything is there. Okay, single smooth gimbal walk through a bright kitchen, pretty good. Not 4 seconds, 8 seconds, 1 video, HD, text to video, pretty good. Click. So here is our video, let's look at it. Nice. Soon we'll have all of that. Fortunately or unfortunately, yeah, this video looks pretty good. So let's create a couple of more so that we have kind of a documentary. So back to our image prompts. Here we have one interesting prompt for manufacturing robots. Then going back to the AI video, and this time let's use Sora 2. Pasting this, 8-second. We will not enhance prompt, our prompt is pretty good, 69, and click. And here is our video created by Sora. looking really good. Then we can, for example, also upscale this video if needed. And then in this same batch, let's also create one additional video, for example, social companion. Here, going back to this same thread. This time I will use WAN 2.5, for example. Let's choose 10-second video. I could also do image to video or ingredients, but for these purposes only text to video, and that should be it. And by the way, you notice here, of course, Sora is without watermark and looks pretty good. So let's try WAN 2.5 also and click. And here is our WAN 2.5 and elderly person and companion. Very nice. Very good video. Yeah, pretty good. So then, for example, if we click again in AI video, let's say we are building comprehensive documentary research presentation and everything, and we don't have a lot of videos, we can click again on AI videos. And then, for example, here we can click on commercial and find additional things that we can potentially use or reuse for our filmmaking or whatever we need. And also, if we, for example, need some additional effects, we can also click here and find what we need. For example, AI twerk would probably not be suitable for our purposes this time, but some other things would be. So for example, if you're doing something futuristic, this one looks very nice. So many different things that you can do with videos, images and photos, but also then, as mentioned at the beginning, we want to do additional things. After that, what we can do is also, for example, create a presentation. So let's say I want to generate a presentation file about, let's say, the topic. We can now paste our whole article, upload the article, or for example, write top trends for AI in 2030, click, then we will get our full outline, and then we will be able to generate that into the presentation. So let me stop that because I wanted to show a couple of other things also. Click stop, fine. If we go back and if we click on more tools, you will see how comprehensive this platform really is. So we have everything for essay writing, prompt generators, math solver, all of the models, many different things for the productivity, for business, for research, for education. I mean, it's so many different things. And for example, for writing, you can do blog article generator, essay generator, poetry generator. So many different things that are available in this all-in-one platform. What is interesting that you can do both images, videos, research, AI writer. For example, if you click here, you get completely new dashboard for content rewriting, prompt generator, and content summarizer. I mean, so many different things. And you can always try the platform for free. For example, here I'm not even logged in. Just click on try for free and then continue with Google. You will get some free credits. If we talk about the pricing, it's pretty good, especially for now. For example, HIX.ai Unlimited for $15 per month. Many different credits for all AI models, video AI access, image AI access, chatbot, unlimited chatbot, and many other new features. So very interesting platform. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.